Hi everybody, my name is Kubani, and today I'm going to show you how to design this. So let's go to Photoshop and then Control N, bring it up. Let's make it 1000. Let's make the height 2000 pixels. Okay, 72. You can call it my logo. Alright. Nice. Now anytime you want to create a 3D logo with a mockup, make sure the background is always off. Okay, so double click the lock icon there, and then we want our background off, else we'll not be able to get the output the way we want it. Okay, alright, so let's go for our logo. Now this is a silver kind of logo that we are going for. So if your client wants a silver metallic type of logo, this is how you go for it. You want to type your name of your business, Kingdom. Let's make it caps, right? Let's use impact. But someone said I like impact a lot. I like using impact a lot. Yeah, I know. I can't help it. I can't help it. Alright, so Control J to duplicate it, bring it down. Let's rename it Solutions Solution GH, and I want the font to be Arial. Let's reduce it. Solutions GH. Resize it a little bit, and then let's increase here to 1. I think this is good. Control J to duplicate it, bring it down. Perhaps put your slogan or your telephone number there. Let's see, 020 000 020 Alright, so now we have it, or do we have it? Okay, so we have it. Yeah, we have it. Let's bring the solutions here a little bit. Okay, let's bolden this. Let's come and make it black. Wow, guess we have to resize it all the way again. Let's reduce this one, make it around 100. Let's make it 80. I think 80 will be the best. Yeah, I knew it. So 80 is gonna be good. And let's change the colors. Let's make color blue. Let's make it more vibrant colors. Right? Vibrant colors. Which color should I choose, guys? I'm confused. This color is good. Definitely good. Let's make this blue. Deep blue. Let's make it, in fact, let's make it black. Let's leave it black. Then the logo head, let's make it gray. Okay, solutions has also take a different color. Let's make this one, let's tone it down a little bit. Alright, so now that we have it, I told you make sure the background is off. Okay, click telephone number here, click Control Shift Alt and then E, puts everything in one particular layer. Then I'm going to leave a link to this particular mockup in the description for you to download. Okay, and so you click here, and then it's going to open for you. It's a place that is going to write show your logo. Okay, you're going to write your logo here. Please click here. Click your logo. Now this mockup, we don't need it, okay, but we can delete it either unless we bring our logo. So you put your logo there nicely, resize it. I think this is nice. This is nice. Okay, now you can delete their logo. Okay, now take notice. If you don't delete their logo and then you click it, the two logos are going to be at the same place at the same time, and you don't want that. Okay, so you mute it or you delete it entirely. Okay, so you click here and then you click save, and then there you have it, very boldly and nicely done over there. So guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please subscribe so that anytime I release new videos you will be updated, and click the bell icon, comment below. Guys, thank you very much. I love you all. Peace out.